Hey everybody, it is Friday. Today is our Do Now. Here's a demonstration to help us understand the principles of roller coaster design. So we have these balls and they're releasing at different heights. So which answer choice correctly describes the ball's kinetic and potential energy? Does the ball have more potential energy at X than at Z? I don't know, Z is at the top. The ball has more kinetic energy at Y than W. Well, yeah, that's true. We're still going downhill. The potential energy and kinetic energy of the ball, excuse me, are equal at X. Now we're getting into more kinetic there. And the potential energy and kinetic energy are the greatest at position Z. Well, wait, that's potential up there. So our best choice is G. The ball has more kinetic energy at position Y than at W. So let's do number 2. Race car speed is 220 miles per hour and it travels 320 miles. How long did this journey take? So I have distance of 320 and I have a speed of 220. So let's pull out the handy dandy little calculator right now and let's see what we get. We punch in 320 because that's my distance, hit the division key and divide by 220. And I get 1.45. So that's about 1.5 hours because time is measured in hours or seconds. And right now we're saying miles per hour. So right here, today's understanding will be I can demonstrate my understanding of kinetic and potential energy and speed and time calculations. I can identify the changes in kinetic energy and potential energy. And I can do that. Calculate distance, speed, and time. So what we're going to do is we're going to come over here to Schoology. I'm going to click on a section. I'm just going to go on my friends section over here. I'm come down here to assignments. And I'm going to take this quiz right here. This potential, I'm going to publish that. This potential kinetic energy and calculating speed quiz, because we spent a couple days doing that. And you're going to take that here in Schoology. You're going to click on that. It's going to open and it's going to look like, let's look at the preview because it'll show what, okay. You're going to click on this and you're going to click on this and take this quiz. When you have completed this quiz, you're going to come back to Schoology and you're going to check on your grade tab, and yours is going to look a little different. Mine says gradebook, yours says grade tab. And you're going to click on anything that's missing. If you have everything done and turned in, including this week's, there is a really fun motion graphs edpuzzle. So we're going to ask you to do that. You can do that. There's also so you'll have those to do that, or you can work on some of the extra credit, but I would prefer the motion done first, then you go to either of these extra credit assignments, all right? That's amazing. And you guys have a great weekend, and we will see you Monday. I can't believe next week is Monday, and we're about to have break. So we'll talk to you on Monday. Have a great one. Bye.